Alright, if any of you have been following on Facebook, you'll be due to know that this is going to get clear coated. So that's what we're going to do in this episode. We did the science experiment, it worked on the front fin, so now we're going to do the clip. Painted the inside, got it all back together, and now we're going to clear coat this bad boy. Let's see how we go.
Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bruh. I swear to God I'll get it, bruh. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. I will not quit, I'm on it. Never rock it. Got the block lit, I'm toxic. Spitting logic, make them nauseous. Honest, can I stop this? Never cautious, drop it. I'm the hardest. Knock, knock, bitch, watch it. I'm the fucking king of rock, bitch. Pop it, spitting hot shit. I'm dropping, chronic. I think I'm motherfucking lost it.
Alright, so before I start this, I've got the essentials. I scrubbed it down yesterday. I've got the clear coat, I've got a beer, and I've got thinners, and I've got a spray gun. The compressor's all primed up. The front clip is all cleaned and everything like that. So now I'll mix this up and we'll get spraying and we'll see what the first coat looks like. Alright, so I've got it clear coated. It's not perfect, but it's shiny. And that's all I wanted. So, I don't know if you guys can see, but like you can see there's like little bubbles in it from the rust and stuff. But, I mean, it's shiny, it's hard, and it's ready to go. So, I took the tape off the chrome, and like, it really does reflect well against it. So, yeah, I'm loving it. I think it looks great. You know, for a rat rod, you can see the sun's burnt a little bit of it there because it's 37 degrees here and there's a little bit up there, but that's fine. I'm not fussed. It's just going to be shiny and try and help stop the corrosion any further. Plus, I like the way it looks. So, yeah. But in all good, all due, I can't leave it like that. So, I'm just going to show you as a little something because I need something. So that's why we've had short episodes. I just having a hard time. And yeah, so I'm just going to show you something real quick, all right? And then you can see, well, see what I see. So I mocked it up. I had to. It looks so good, I just had to sit it on the chassis. Now, this isn't its final ride height. You're probably thinking, oh, it's still so high. But it's still sitting on the top plate and everything. So when I do drop it, it's going to sit down to here. So it will tuck. So what's that? 2-inch, say. So you're probably looking, you're going to be about like 75 mil from the ground. So yeah, that's how it's going to sit. It's not bolted as it's going to have to come back off, but I've just got a screwdriver in the main front there, and I've just got the sides chocked up, but I think this looks great. I think I made the right choice in clear coating the patina instead of just leaving it rusty. Like, I could have left it like that, which is fine, but it'll keep rusting, and I'm not going to be rubbing juice all over it every 2-3 months. So this is it. This is like a one and done, and yeah, I love it. I think this is great. So I think it's just what I needed, really, to be totally honest, to keep me going. As I always say, like, subscribe, and share. I'm doing my God's honest to keep this stuff coming, but working all the time and that I just don't have time or the money. You know, all the funds are just going to bills and the girls and that. So I'm trying my hardest to keep it going. So please, for the love of Christ, like, subscribe, and share. Chloe Morgetz has some big things coming up. Me and Glenn sat down and the boys, and we came up with a game plan that is absolutely insane. It is so insane. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to pull it off. But yeah, so stay tuned for that. There's more Dodge coming up. I got to strip the glass and everything out of the body, start repairing the floor. Then I'll clear coat that, and then that'll be ready to go on the body. I still got to do the bags in the rear and the front and the lines and everything like that. So that'll be coming up. Yeah, and so please just like, subscribe, and share. I'm doing my God's honest here, but I need you guys to help me. So, anyways, that'll do me for today. It's hot, I'm tired, and I'm just emotionally broken. So, like I always say, I'll see you guys in the next episode. God, that is good. She looks so good. I just cannot wait. It's just tough. But God, she looks good.